I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to stop your iPhone or iPad from replacing OMW with On My Way whenever you type it. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Apple iPhone or iPad. The Settings menu is shown. Step 2. Tap General in this menu. The General menu is displayed. Step 3. Scroll down this menu and then tap Keyboards. Keyboards options are shown. Step 4. Tap Text Replacement. The next screen shows you all of the text replacements that are currently being used on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 5. Find OMW in this list. Swipe slowly from right to left across the OMW item until you see the red delete button. Tap Delete. Going forward, whenever you type OMW on your iPhone or iPad, it will no longer be replaced with On My Way. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.